Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. This video especially for the aspirant who used to prepare UGC NET for November 2020 examination. So in couple of days you will be approaching this exam, and so I'll be discussing in all 10 units of paper 2 what are the expected questions and what are the problematic question you can expect from this examination. And so before that, okay, I'll be updating all the technical related concept of UGC NET computer science student, and also some software related technologies through this channel. And if suppose you are expecting more videos, you can subscribe my channel, and I'll be going now. Okay, so in computer science paper 2, the unit 1 will be discrete structure and organization. So in this usually you will be getting 4 kind of problems. One is related to set and its property, and next one is relation, and important what is called function and its type, problematic question, and next one will be from graph. Okay, and you maybe get problem based on planar graph or bipartite graph, or what is called Euler graph, isometric or isomorphic graph, and then this discrete structure and optimization, in which optimization in the sense this syllabus belongs to what is called OR, operation research. There you will be expected transportation problem or assignment problem and problem related to graphical method. Okay, and so sometimes you will be getting the general problem which can be solved with help of LPP. So then you try to solve with help of this graphical method. Okay, so you can easily get if you are going for only 2 variable. If you are going for more than 2 variable, you cannot solve with help of graphical method. So that's why I am insisting here. And so these are the types of problem you can get from this unit 1, discrete structure and optimization. Okay, so next if you are coming for unit 2, okay, and this is nothing but what is called computer system architecture. Okay, actually they combined 2 subjects. One is what is called digital logic, and next one what is called computer architecture. And here surely you will be getting 1 or 2 questions related to number system conversion, from binary to octal, octal to hexa, hexa to decimal, 4 kind of number system there. Beyond that, they will follow some general number system conversion also, and you have to ready with all conversion. Okay, and 4 2 power 4 16 combination. So you have to solve if any kind of question they ask. Okay, you will be scoring at least 4 mark from this number system conversion. And if you understand the all type of gates, almost 6 type of gates there, and its characteristic equations and characteristic feature, you will be getting 1 question. And next you want to learn all the details about what is called microprocessor with 2 version, 8085 and 8086, and in which you will be asking question related to flags, address mode, and so we have some types of flags for okay, so adding number and representing number system, and then we have 10 type of address mode, and usually they will be asking assembly codes. And before that will be, I mean, if you understand all 10 types of addressing mode, you will be easily score. Okay, and next you want to learn what is called flip-flop. Okay, and here we have SR, JK and DT flip-flop. If you understand all 4 kind of flip-flop along with its I mean function table and characteristic table, then you can easily score mark. And apart from this computer architecture have memory kind of problems, and also they may try to ask to find out and calculate physical address and virtual address calculation. Okay, this is another important problem here. And next one is programming language and computer graphics. Actually they have merged lot of subject like C programming, C++ programming, Java programming, and JSP script language, and then what is called servlet. And other than that we have some web design concept like HTML and its corresponding tag, and DHTML, XML. And here they will be asking problem related question like data types and related code, and even C program future also they may ask. And here very important thing is what is called pointer concept in C++. Okay, so they will be asking some question related to or codes related to object orientation, and then from Java they will be asking basic code, and sometime they may introduce JSP needs and servlet. And they have also included computer graphics here. Okay, almost 6 to 7 subjects they are simply merged as single subject here, and they'll be asking 10 questions from this. And so here they'll be asking the problem related to transportation, rotation and scaling of 2D 3D graphics concept, and other important problematic question from this unit is circle and line drawing algorithm. Okay, and other than this we have HTML, DHTML tag, XML tag and all. They may ask with a simple definition, and you have to concentrate. Okay, next, once we are coming for unit 4, it is fully database management system. They have actually merged distributed system and database management system as single unit here as unit 4. And here they will be asking very importantly what is called DBMS model, SQL queries, and sometime they may ask the SQL query, its equivalent in mathematical concept is called what is relational algebra. And very importantly, you need to know very clearly what are the 5 normal forms: first, second, third, boys code normal form, fourth normal form, fifth normal form, almost 6 normal form. So then you will be getting problematic question from this normal form, and you need to know the hierarchically how to go from first normal form to fifth normal form. And before that we have what is called functional dependency, and actually the key concept and functional concept is become normal form here. And here one more important question you'll be asked is finding minimal key from some relation schema they given. Okay, and for that you need to know types of key like what is candidate key, what is super key, what is primary key, like that. And next one is and you need to know another key is called foreign key also there. And so here relational DBMS also they may ask, and along with the data warehouse concept, data mining concept, we need to know everything about this concept. And now they have included big data also. They may ask its types and importance. And if you are coming for distributed system, okay, they will be asking problematic question with the help of the seriability of process. Okay, and along with the deadlock concept. Okay, so if you study this concept, you can easily score more mark in this unit 4. And next one is I am coming to unit 5. Okay, unit 5 is system software and operating system. They have merged two syllabus of subject. System software is one subject and operating system. Okay, and here they will be asking question related to assembly language, its codes, as problem, and then we have following four important concept, like what is called storage management, disk scheduling, memory management, memory scheduling, and process scheduling, CPU scheduling, and Banker's algorithm. And along with they may ask physical and virtual address problems. And here surely if they are asking 10 questions from this system software and operating system, you can get at least 5 problematic questions, and these are the list. Okay, they may ask order of disk scheduling algorithm, and they will be providing some memory page. They will be asking what is page fault, how many page fault, and everything they will be asking here. And with help of Banker's algorithm, they may ask whether setup process executes successfully, or will be having deadlock. And additionally they will ask some question related to distributed system also. And along with, you need to know each and every function and property of OS, Windows operating system, as well as Linux or Unix. Okay, I'll be stopping here. Okay, so whatever I discussed here from these 5 units, you will be surely getting such a kind of questions. And you try to just subscribe my channel. I'll be discussing more information and technically here. Thank you for watching.